All right. So let's do this really quick. There we go. Okay. All right. Hi, everybody. I'm Lisa Rojas, and I'm going to be sharing a quick and easy gift card holder that you will absolutely love to create on your own. So, we're going to get started right away. And I start here with a piece of burlap. Now, this is 6-inch wide and about 6-7 inches long. So you're going to start with this. And what we're going to do, because burlap shreds, right? As you can already see on my desk. So it shreds. So what we want to do first off is to kind of get that part taken care of. So I'm going to take my glue gun here, and I'm not doing a big heavy thread. I just want to add just enough that I can turn the ends over. Okay. So that's how you're going to start with this. And you just turn both of your ends over. Now, the sides don't have to be done because they're already finished off, but you want to make sure that you do your top and your bottom piece. Okay. So now that I've showed you that, all right, now we're going to do the fun part because this I already have done. I've already done both my sizes or my sides. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to decorate, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So very first thing, we're going to take the bottom and pull it up. And then we're going to take the glue gun here and glue our sides down. And this is the other side. Okay. So now you've got your sides done. And I finished the inside here by turning it over. And you're not going to see it, right? This part in here. But you are going to see this. So you do want to make sure that you finish your edges off also. You don't want to give, an ugly gift card holder. All right, so now I'm just taking another bit of trim. This is another burlap trim. And to finish this part off, I'm just going to add some glue because this is absolutely perfect to cover up that edge. Okay, so we're going to do this. That end right there. Okay, there we go. And then we can cut this edge off. And then also what you can do once you've got this on is go back and trim off any of your little burlap pieces that have popped up. Okay, so we're going to trim those little pieces off right there. All right. So now we're going to decorate with the beautiful ribbons. So I absolutely love, love, love this trim. It is so gorgeous. And I hope that you guys can see it on camera because it's got a glitter in it and it's absolutely beautiful. So what we're going to do with this now is we're going to take it. And again, I want to show you a real quick little trick that I do when I'm working with ribbon, especially ribbon that will fray. Before I cut it, what I do is I take a little bit of either a hot glue gun or regular glue and I just tap that edge down. And then I can go back into with my scissors here. And then you can cut it without it fraying. So that's just a little trick. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add this to our gift card holder, our burlap here. So I'm going to start at the bottom, and we're just going to glue this all around the whole part. All right, there we go. And you can start from your back and then, come around to the front part of it. So now we're going to glue it. Just go ahead and glue it all the way around. There we go. So you can kind of see how it's going together. And because I like to make sure that everything is covered, I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom part here. So I'm going to fuss with this corner just a bit. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to glue this all the way around our bottom part here. Okay. Make sure you get it down there good. There we go. And then we're going to go back up. So a lot of gluing in this project, and AdTech is my absolute favorite. So there we go. And then I'm going to glue this all the way up. There we go. But this trim is so, so beautiful. And when I show you the last little piece that I'm going to add to it, you're going to know why I picked it this way. All right. And then lastly, we're going to go around this back part here. And again, just run a bead of glue all the way down. Okay. There we go. And then when you get to the end, then here again, you can do that little trick that I just showed you. Before you cut it, add a little bit of glue. And then you can go back in with your scissors and cut it, and you're not going to, the ribbon is not going to fray on you. Okay, so then once you get to this part, then, and you will have to, because burlap is, it moves a lot. So you have to be cautious of that, but this is the type of project that's just quick and easy. So last, then we're going to take this again and get my end here. There we go. Okay, I'm going to lay it down this way now. And then here, I'll do it this way. No, let's do it this way. Okay, so we're going to add this piece. And you want to make sure, because this is the back now, so you want to make sure when you get to this part, that your trim, if you're going to put a trim that is only one-sided, then you want to make sure that it is the right way when you go to close it. Okay, so just make sure that you have it on the correct way. And then we're just going to, again, go over with our glue gun here and finish this off. There. Nice. Okay, so last, I want to make sure that we cut this. So again, I'm going to add a little bit of glue to my end here before I cut it. There we go. Move that out of the way and then glue that last little part in right there. Okay. And then lastly, okay, so this is now your gift card holder. Okay. So now we're going to take this beautiful flower, absolutely gorgeous, and we're going to take that and add that right in the center on the top flap only. Make sure that you have it open. So if you go to glue this on, you do not glue both. Okay, so we're going to put this right here. There we go. Okay. And then to close it off, then what you would do is take some Velcro and just add a couple little pieces of Velcro to it. And then that way you have your gift card. You can slide it right in. And there you go.